Okay, so the wig that I'm going to be working with today to demonstrate this glueless lace melt is from Beautyforever hair. I have their straight 5x5 HD lace closure wig. I have it in 26 inches and the density is 180% density. I will go ahead and leave the direct link for this wig down below. I'll just go ahead and tell you guys up front, I really do like this wig. I feel like I haven't been getting good wigs lately, especially not from them, but this one it's okay. I like the hair this time around, and I really love the lace, again because it is an HD lace wig. However, the main thing with this wig is that it has a ton of flyaway hairs. Like, I can see them clear as day. I have used everything, hairspray, edge control, mousse, and nothing seems to lay them down, so that is a little bit annoying. If it would have been just like a little amount, of course some product would have been able to fix that, but this wig has quite a bit of flyaway hairs. And then also I did bleach the knots, and these knots didn't really take to bleach well. I left the bleach on there, you guys, probably for like over an hour, and they didn't really bleach at all. So the knots are kind of stubborn on this lace. Bleach the knots like I would any other lace, and like some of them turned, a lot of them did not. So there's that issue. But if you know anything other than what I already mentioned on how to lay down flyaway hairs, please feel free to comment down below and let me know. I don't have a wax stick. I probably should go out and get one of those. Maybe that is what it's going to take for these to lay down. But yeah, issue with the flyaways is not something that I'm too crazy about when it comes to this wig, but I'm still going to let you guys see me install it anyway. I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys end up finding this video helpful, please feel free to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys in advance for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Okay, so it's been a few days since I recorded the intro clip, but basically I've been wearing this wig pretty much every single day lately. Really do like it, but like I mentioned, the flyaway hairs is probably the only thing that I do not like about it. But this is the wig on my head, you guys. I don't have anything on it or anything like that. I just literally put it on, and then this is what the hairline looks like. It didn't come like this. I did go ahead and pluck it. So if you guys would like to see a video on how it is that I pluck my closures, I have about 2 of them on my channel already, so I will be sure to link both of those videos down below in my description box. And then this is the product that I'm going to be using today, you guys. This is like the most easiest, best way to get a flawless glueless install. The instructions are pretty straightforward. You're literally just gonna apply it to the hairline, lay your lace directly on top of it, and then blow dry it on warm air. Also, this is the Bold Hold Liquid Gold. This is not their lace glue, not to be confused with that. This is a completely glueless product. It is safe to get it on your edges. You could even use it to go ahead and slick your edges back and all that good stuff. So just so there's no confusion, you guys, this is not a lace glue. This is a product very similar to the Got2b gel, but I feel like this one is 10 times better in my opinion.